Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best battery spot welding machines. If you're into battery repairs, assembly, or DIY projects, stay tuned. We'll be covering each machine's key features, along with their pros and cons, to help you make an informed decision. Number 5 on our list is the Dizainlife H2 battery spot welding machine. The Dizainlife H2 battery spot welding machine is a versatile and portable tool designed for individuals working with cylindrical batteries such as 18650, 26650, 36650 types, as well as mobile phone batteries. Combining convenience, advanced features, and safety, the Dizainlife H2 makes battery repair and assembly much easier. Its all-in-one design, adjustable power settings, and built-in safety measures are ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. Below, we'll explore the pros and cons of this welding machine. Pros. 1. Two-in-one design for portability and convenience. One of the standout features of the Dizainlife H2 is its two-in-one design, which integrates the spot welding pen and power supply into one compact device. This eliminates the need for an additional external pen, making it more portable and easier to handle. You can carry it around without worrying about multiple parts, and it's ready to use straight out of the box. 90 adjustable power settings. The 90 adjustable gears provide incredible flexibility. With the ability to adjust the power output according to the material, you can ensure the right amount of welding energy is used, which improves precision and safety. This feature makes the machine suitable for both delicate and more robust tasks, giving users a high level of control. Clear LCD display. The 1.3-inch circular LCD color screen offers clear visibility of the machine's settings and functions. The user-friendly UI ensures that you can easily navigate through the various features, adjusting power levels and monitoring performance. Cons. Limited to battery spot welding. Though the Dizainlife H2 excels at spot welding batteries, its scope is somewhat limited to this specific task. It may not be as versatile for users who need a broader range of soldering or welding capabilities, particularly outside of battery repair and assembly. The Dizainlife H2 battery spot welding machine is a well-rounded tool for anyone dealing with battery repair or assembly, offering portability, convenience, and safety features. Its two-in-one design, 90 adjustable gears, and versatile compatibility with different battery types make it an attractive option for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4 is the Dizainlife H1 battery spot welding machine. The Dizainlife H1 battery spot welding machine is an innovative tool designed for battery-related repairs and DIY projects. It offers a convenient, portable design that eliminates the need for a separate welding pen, making it a valuable asset for those who frequently work with battery-powered devices. Let's explore the key features, as well as the pros and cons of this handheld spot welding machine. Pros. All-in-one design. One of the standout features of the Dizainlife H1 is its all-in-one design. By combining the spot welding pen and power supply into a single device, it eliminates the need for an external welding pen. This makes the machine highly portable and easy to use whether you're working at home or on the go. Its compact handheld design is perfect for quick repairs or DIY battery projects without the hassle of managing multiple components. Versatile application. The Dizainlife H1 is suitable for a variety of cylindrical batteries, including 18,650, 26,650, and 36650 types, as well as mobile phone batteries and other electronic devices. This versatility allows users to restore functionality to devices that would otherwise be discarded due to battery issues. For those who work with electronics, this tool is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly, as it enables repairs rather than replacements. Adjustable power settings. With 11 levels of adjustable output power, the Dizainlife H1 offers flexibility in welding different materials. The power settings can be adjusted according to the thickness and type of metal being welded. Lower settings are ideal for mobile phone batteries, while higher settings are better suited for thicker nickel plates. This level of customization ensures that users can handle a wide range of welding tasks with precision. Easy to use. The machine is designed with simplicity in mind. It has only 2 buttons clearly labeled for ease of use, making it accessible to beginners and experienced users alike. Switching between automatic and manual modes is intuitive, and adjustments can be made with just a few presses. This user-friendly design helps streamline the welding process. Multiple safety features. Despite its compact size, the Dizainlife H1 includes multiple protection features. These include overcharge protection, temperature control, short-circuit protection, and a low-voltage alarm, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The device is equipped with high-quality polymer cells for longer life and extended standby time, making it a durable and dependable tool. Cons. Limited to small-scale projects. While the Dizainlife H1 is ideal for smaller DIY projects and repairs, it may not be suitable for larger or industrial-level welding tasks. Those who need a machine for heavy-duty or high-volume welding might find its power and capacity lacking compared to larger, professional-grade welders. The Dizainlife H1 battery spot welding machine is a portable, user-friendly, and versatile tool that excels at handling small to medium-scale battery repairs and DIY projects. Its all-in-one design, adjustable power settings, and multiple safety features make it a reliable option for both beginners and experienced users. Coming in at number 3 is the Relife 2S battery spot welding machine. The Relife 2S battery spot welding machine, also known as the Dizainlife Portable Macaron 2S, is an integrated spot welding tool designed for mobile phone battery cells. This compact and efficient electric welder is engineered to simplify spot welding tasks, making it a great choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working on battery-related projects. Below, we will explore the pros and cons of this handy welding machine. Pros. Compact and portable design. The Relife 2S stands out for its compact, portable design. Weighing very little and with a small footprint, this device is easy to carry and store, making it convenient for mobile repair technicians who need a welding machine they can bring with them on site. Its integrated design also eliminates the need for carrying separate welding tools. Integrated welding unit. This spot welding machine comes with an all-in-one design, meaning users do not need to purchase or use additional spot welding pens or external power sources. This simplicity makes it especially useful for mobile phone battery repairs and smaller welding tasks, as it consolidates everything into one efficient device. Specialized for mobile phone battery welding. The Relife 2S is specifically optimized for mobile phone battery welding, which makes it highly effective for professionals in the mobile phone repair industry. Its ability to handle precise welding tasks for delicate components like battery cells ensures that it meets the needs of technicians who require accuracy and reliability in their work. Electric welder functionality. As an electric spot welder, the Relife 2S provides a consistent level of performance that ensures strong, durable welds. This feature is critical for projects involving battery cells, where secure connections are vital to the battery's performance and safety. The electric welder functionality adds precision, minimizing errors during operation. Cons. Smaller capacity. Being optimized for smaller tasks like mobile phone battery welding, the machine might not be suitable for those working with larger batteries or more industrial-level welding needs. If you need to handle bigger tasks, you might require a more powerful and robust welding machine. The Relife 2S battery spot welding machine offers a simple, portable, and efficient solution for mobile phone battery welding. Its compact design and all-in-one functionality make it highly suitable for professionals who need a portable and reliable tool for on-the-go repairs. While it excels at battery welding, it does have its limitations, particularly in terms of versatility and power adjustments. Number 2 is the Joshe battery spot welding machine. The Joshe battery spot welding machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision welding of various types of batteries and materials. With an impressive range of features, including adjustable power levels, dual modes, and advanced safety protections, it offers a robust solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Below, we break down the pros and cons to help you decide if this spot welding machine is right for you. Pros. 80 levels of adjustable power. One of the standout features of the Joshe battery spot welding machine is its 80 adjustable power levels. This allows for greater precision when welding different materials, resulting in better weld quality and more flexibility for a variety of projects. Whether you're working with thin nickel sheets or thicker materials, the wide range of power settings ensures optimal control. Long battery life. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh large capacity battery, this spot welder offers longer usage times compared to other models in its class. The large battery capacity ensures that you can complete extensive welding tasks without needing frequent recharges, making it ideal for both occasional and frequent users. Dual modes, automatic and manual. The Joshe welding machine supports both automatic and manual welding modes, giving users the ability to switch between hands-free operation or manual control depending on the project's requirements. This dual mode functionality makes it highly versatile for different welding tasks, especially when working on mobile phone batteries and similar repairs. One-handed operation. Designed for ease of use, The machine's one-handed operation capability allows users to hold the nickel sheets or batteries with one hand while welding with the other. This ergonomic feature improves workflow efficiency and makes it easier to achieve precise welds, especially when handling small components. High-definition LCD display. The high-definition LCD display provides clear and detailed information about the power levels and battery status. The display makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings, allowing for better control over the welding process. It also displays important notifications such as low voltage or overcurrent warnings for enhanced safety. Cons. Bulkier design. Due to its built-in battery and one-piece design, the Joshe welding machine may be bulkier compared to some other handheld models. Although it is designed for one-handed use, the added size could be a drawback for users who prefer more compact tools, especially when working in tight spaces. The Joshe battery spot welding machine offers a compelling blend of power, precision, and safety features, making it an excellent choice for users who need to weld various types of batteries and materials. Its 80 levels of adjustable power, dual pulse output, and one-handed operation make it highly versatile and user-friendly, while the large battery capacity ensures that it can handle extended projects. And finally, our number one pick is the Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine. The Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine is a portable and advanced tool designed to make battery spot welding tasks more efficient and user-friendly. This machine is particularly suited for individuals and professionals who need a reliable spot welding solution for various types of metal sheets. With features like double pulse technology, a high-definition LCD screen, and a powerful lithium battery, the SWM-10 promises to deliver performance and convenience. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this welding machine. Pros. Double pulse spot welding technology. The SWM-10 utilizes double pulse spot welding technology, which enhances the stability and firmness of each weld. This advanced feature ensures consistent and high-quality welds, reducing the likelihood of weak or unreliable connections. The technology is particularly useful for creating durable and strong welds in various materials. Long-lasting battery life. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh lithium battery, the SWM-10 offers impressive battery life, allowing for extended use without frequent recharging. This long-lasting battery is also multifunctional, serving as a power bank for other devices, adding an extra layer of convenience for users who may need to charge their tools or electronics on the go. High-definition LCD screen. The 1.8-inch FFT high-definition LCD screen provides a clear and detailed display of the machine's status and settings. This user-friendly interface makes it easier to monitor and adjust the welding parameters, ensuring more precise and accurate welds. The clear display contributes to a smarter and more intuitive user experience. Intelligent temperature control. The built-in intelligent temperature control probe adds a significant layer of safety and efficiency. It provides protection against overtemperature, low voltage, and short circuits, helping to prevent potential damage to the machine and ensuring safe operation. This feature helps maintain the longevity and reliability of the welding machine. Customizable settings. The SWM-10 offers a range of customizable settings including preheating, pulse, interval, and the number of connection points. These options allow users to tailor the welding process to their specific needs, enhancing stability and accuracy in various welding applications. This flexibility is particularly valuable for different types of metals and welding tasks. Cons. Size and portability considerations. While the machine is described as portable and handheld, its overall size and weight may still pose challenges for some users, especially those who need to perform detailed or precision work in confined spaces. The balance between portability and functionality might not fully meet the needs of all users. The Fnirsi SWM-10 battery spot welding machine stands out for its advanced features, including double pulse technology, a high-capacity lithium battery, and an intuitive LCD display. It is a well-designed tool for a range of welding tasks, offering convenience and efficiency with its customizable settings and safety features.